Greetings, students. This is Miss Mills. I'm here to read the words for sort number 30 in the syllables and affixes group. So if you are using paper, please go ahead and divide it. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 major headings and then oddballs. If you fold your paper into fourths, write those headings at the top of each fourth, and then maybe in the center find a place to put your oddball. That would be fine. Or if you'd prefer to use a Google Sheet, then just use the link under the word study topic to create your spreadsheet and type in the headings as you can see here. You should type the spelling pattern and the guiding word. So here we have the LE as in cattle, the EL as in model, IL as in pencil, and AL as in final. And today we're going to have 26 words total. So when you're finished, make sure you look through and make sure you've got all 26. Pause the video if you need to set up your page, and you can press play when you're ready to start listening to your words. Let's get started. The first word is evil. The cat named Lucifer is evil. Evil. Remember, you're working on spelling and choosing the correct category. So first decide what category does evil belong in, and then type it to the best of your ability with correct spelling under that heading. Next, pupil. A responsible pupil practices their word study words. Pupil. Next, journal. It's helpful to write in a journal every day. Journal. Next, special. What makes you special? Special. Council. The student council has a lot of responsibilities. Council. Vowel. How many vowels are in the word vowel? Vowel. Bundle. They were selling a bundle of firewood for $5 each. Bundle. Cancel. I decided to cancel my subscription to the streaming service. Cancel. Stencil. I used a stencil so that all my letters would be the same size. Stencil. Angel. I knew it was an angel because it had a halo. Angel. Needle. For your next sewing project, you will need a needle and thread. Needle. Jewel. The star sparkled like a jewel in the night sky. Jewel. Metal. Did you know not all metal is magnetic? Metal. Angle. I learned how to measure the angle with my protractor. Angle. Novel. What is your favorite novel? Novel. Fragile. Grandma's tea set is very fragile, so make sure you don't drop any of the cups. Fragile. Pedal. I stomped on my pedal as hard as I could so my bike would go fast. Pedal. Struggle. It was hard not to help the preschooler when he, okay, I'm gonna start again. I used to struggle to tie my shoe until somebody taught me how. Struggle. The next word is total. At the grocery store, my total came to much higher than I wanted it to. Total. Fossil. I found a fossil while I was digging in my backyard. Fossil. Couple. I'll buy a couple packs of gum so it'll last me a while. Couple. Level. I was so close to getting to the next level of the video game. Level. Local. You can buy produce from local farmers at your farmer's market. Local. Signal. The traffic signal was telling me to slow down. Signal. Last but not least is saddle. The saddle jiggled as I rode on the horse down the bumpy road. Saddle. Now please take a look and make sure there are 26 words. And I think last time we did this on a spreadsheet, some people lost the last word that they typed because they didn't click into a different cell after they were finished. So please just make sure after you've counted that there are 26, go ahead and just click into an empty cell before you go and turn in the assignment. And we'll see if that fixes the problem. So if you want a teacher to look at it before you turn it in, just to confirm you have all 26 words, that would be fine too, until we get to the bottom of that problem. So I'm sure you did a fantastic job with these spellings and these categories. So if you are finished, you can turn it off and submit your word study test. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.